We have always been told that when a file is deleted from Linux, that file is no longer recoverable. Now let us try something dangerous. I created a file called deleted.txt. Now let us delete the file. Now let us try to list the file. Now the file doesn't exist anymore because we have deleted it, right? As far as the file system is concerned, that file name doesn't exist anymore. But let's make this interesting. I'm going to recreate this file again. Now pay attention. Let us use the command tel-f, then temp deleted.txt. Now watch this. As you can see, this terminal is running. Now I'm going to bring up a different terminal. Let's try something here. I am going to delete this file once again. Now let's check the file. The file is gone. But this time something is still using the file, which is tel. So what happened when I deleted the file name? The file disappears. But tel is still using the file. Now let's find the ghost file by using pgrep tel. Look at this number here. Let us list this again. And then let us type this number. Let me just copy the number and paste it here. Now use the FD, or rather -FD. You hit enter. Now that's the file we just deleted, hanging around here. Why? Because this process still has it open. So the file name is gone, but the file data still exists. Do you think we can recover this file? Now let us try. Let us try to read the file. We type the number that we found earlier, FD3. You see the text where deleted files really go, which is what we had in the original file. Now let us recover the file using the command cp proc our code fd3. Let us create the file. Let us say temp. Let's call it recovered.txt. So now we are finding the file which was deleted. Now we are creating a new file in order to recover that very file. Now let me hit enter. Now let's see what we can find. Temp recovered. As you can see, we have recovered our file. Now we can go back with Ctrl+C. We can stop this. Let's go back to our terminal and try this command again. You will see that the file is gone. That's because we have killed the process here. But the most important thing is that we have our file recovered. So this is how you can easily recover your file. However, don't take this to mean that deleted files are always recoverable. So be cautious when you are doing this. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Please watch the next video in order to see why everything is a file in Linux system.